How to check how old your iPhone battery is. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, scroll down and go to Battery Health as shown. This section displays information about your battery's capacity and peak performance capability, and it will indicate if your battery needs to be serviced. Here, you can view your battery health, maximum battery capacity, cycle count, manufacture date and first use date. As you can see, your battery health is normal. So if you want to check how old your battery is, you can check it from the manufacture date and first use date below. Following these steps, you can easily check how old your iPhone battery is. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.